Hello everyone, this is Teammate and we are presenting our project Baby Beats. This is a smart sensory based project which is specifically designed for infants and toddlers. The idea that came from our project is the realization of the lack of traditional toys is emotional feedback and interactivity. So we came up with an idea when we saw an opportunity where every kid is now in a high-tech environment. So we thought it as an opportunity and designed this project. So let's move on to the problem statement now. This problem statement: infants and toddlers often require high interactivity and engagement during their playing time. So we have designed a way to stimulate their auditory senses and improve their cognitive development. Traditional toys lack versatility or interactivity, which can limit a child's engagement and learning potential. So we designed a fun and interactive way to design this smart baby beats to a child's input with auditory feedback, which can improve his recognition to sound, date, and hand-eye coordination. Now, teammates will continue.
Satvika, bearing roll number 05DT. I'm going to discuss about existing solutions. There are few existing solutions on this problem statement. They are Arduino piano with push buttons. Here each button acts as a piano key. When pressed, plays a specified note. And here each button plays a melody tune. DIY drum kit. Each button acts as a different drum keys. Educational musical toy. When a button is pressed, it plays a nursery rhyme. The gaps in the existing solutions are it lacks interactive stimulation for babies. There is no emotional understanding like sleepiness, hunger, recognition of stress using different pressing patterns. There is no visual insights, and it is not available for regular households.
And automatically on the songs and rhymes and numbers, alphabets, all other. We can also include AML with sensors, and we can provide a app to install in phone, and we can control through the mobile also. And coming to the required materials, the materials required are Arduino UNO, breadboard, connecting wires, jumper wires, and MP3 module, push buttons. That's teammate will come.
And the block diagrams here they come from input components, test buttons, controllers, Arduino. Output components are the speakers. The flowchart is starting by the wait for the remote command from user and end with the executive command and managing data from the sensors.
Coming to the audio, next the Arduino will wait for the button press detection. Each button is connected to a digital input pin, and it will play different sounds when different buttons are pressed. And the output is based on the buttons only. And when button is released, Arduino will stop playing the tone.
Move on to the advantages and disadvantages. The advantage is that it is very simple to use. It has very easy interface for any child to play and get fun. The limitations or the disadvantages we have are it cannot be easily modified. It needs very time for modification, and we don't get easy input, and we have to add some more buttons for its future enhancements.
This project is a simple and engaging, effective sound-based project which will help infants and young children with hand and eye cooperation. Thank you.
Now let's move on to the execution part. When you press the first button,